In this video, we'll be going through some of the functionalities of the Sales Rebate module of the Sales Offers app by Food Cloud Plus. The Sales Rebate module allows users to enact an effective marketing strategy to attract customers, boost sales, and reward the loyalty of existing customers through special discounts. This module lets users effectively manage and process rebate initiatives directly within Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. If we take a look at our rebates, we can see here that we have a rebate card that is calculated based on the percentage of sales amount, and the value of this percentage is 5%. If we click on items, we can see that this rebate 1, is assigned to item F1, which is the item sausage, and the customer 91,000, which is the meat shop. Now from here, we go to our sales orders. We can see that we have a sales order for the meat shop, and it is for 100 cases of the item sausage. Our item tracking is complete, so if we post ship and invoice, we can see the sales order is completed. Now if we click on find entries, we can get more details on the rebate entry. We click on rebate entry, for example. We can see a line that provides us with some relevant information, such as the amount of the rebate, the amount that is remaining to be paid, and the amount posted to the general ledger. Here we can see that the amount posted to the general ledger is 0. To apply this rebate amount to the general ledger, we would go to the Post Rebates to GL page. Here we'll fill out the field as necessary. The customer we want to pay the rebate to is the meat shop. Rebate number is rebate 1, and the rebate posting group, as outlined in the rebate card, is this RPG1. We click on OK. Now we can see that the amount posted to the GL has been changed to 400, which is the amount of our rebate. So now that we've posted this amount to the general ledger, we can now apply this quantity of the rebate to the customer. We go to Apply Rebate to Customer. Here in the Pay to Customer Number field, we'll enter the number of the customer, which is the meat shop, 91,000. We can see that we have 2 different rebates assigned to them currently. We want to apply the quantity in the first one. We would go to the Amount to Apply field. We can enter either a partial amount or a full amount. For example, we can enter the full amount in this scenario. Then we will click on Post Application. We will select Use Source Document Number to carry on the information from the source documentation. If this field is turned off, we would have to manually enter information. And of course, we can also select Leave Rebates as Open Entries if we want the rebates to be posted to the customer account but left open so that they can be applied or paid out manually later on. In this scenario, we don't want to do this, so we'll just click OK. Our application is posted successfully. With sales rebates, users can create and customize different rebate programs for various combinations of customers and items. Users can also keep track of and view a history of rebate information to gain an accurate picture of their financial commitments.